Oase Aquarius purpose-built fountain pumps were already the best for self-contained fountain displays. Now they're even better with the Aquarius Eco Premium line, the smallest of the Aquarius fountain pumps, bringing dancing water to a whole new size range of water features. The three pumps, 1700, 2600, and 3700 GPH, have every advanced feature we've come to love in the Aquarius line in a sleek, compact package. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install the Aquarius Eco Premium. The pump comes with 2 bags of fittings, gaskets, and band clamps to accommodate many sizes and styles of tubing for either submersible or inline installations. Let's start with the simplest installation, the pump with a fountain nozzle connected directly to its 1.5 inch outlet. Attach the 1-inch threaded female fitting to the outlet of the pump, then thread in an appropriate fountain nozzle. We selected an Oase 1-inch frothy nozzle because it's easily adjustable. For the built-in scene that makes the pump flow dance automatically, turn the dynamic function control on. Place the pump in the water feature on a level, solid base. Make sure the nozzle is at the appropriate height relative to water level. In this case, the air that the frothy nozzle is designed to entrain is taken in at the top of the nozzle, so it can be partially submerged. Plug in the pump. Adjust the nozzle to the desired flow and height. For a static flow, turn off the DFC, and the pump will revert to 100% flow, no variation. Aquarius Eco Premium pumps are built to handle the rigors of inline applications outside of the water feature, with solidly attached volutes screwed in for greater security, and all necessary fittings included. Open the 2 blue clips and remove the pre-filter. Select the appropriate fitting from the set provided, making sure the inlet plumbing is at least the same size or greater than the outlet plumbing. Set the pump on a level, solid surface below water level, attaching the base through the holes provided if necessary. Protect the pump from direct sunlight so it doesn't overheat. After plumbing the pump, stabilize the pump by securing it so it cannot twist or move, especially at startup. For complete control of the flow and access to the other 11 pre-programmed scenes of dancing flows and heights, look to the rear of the pump. You'll notice the in and out ports for the optional control cables that link the pump to either an optional Eco Control or optional Oase Garden Controller Cloud, right above the grounding plate. Remove the 4 screws that hold on each cover of the ports, being careful not to lose the screws because you will be reusing them. Make sure there's no water in the ports. Then remove the end resistor and coupling that come on the cable from the Eco Control or Cloud Controller, and attach the cable to the in port with 2 of the 4 screws you set aside. If the pump is to be the only device in the system, connecting the end resistor to the out port will tell the system not to look for other pumps, filters, or lights. Remove the end resistor from the coupling and use the second pair of reserved screws to attach the end resistor to the out port to close the chain. Make sure the screws are snug, being careful not to strip or over-tighten them. Then turn the dynamic function control switch to off and replace the pump in the feature. If there had been other devices to connect, such as up to 10 additional pumps, ProfiClear filters, or Profilux lighting modules, you would have connected a cable from the out port on the pump to the in port of the next device, and so on, then use the end resistor on the last device in the chain of the multi-device system. Each device would show up and be controlled separately in the Oase Control application. Make sure you don't throw away the coupling. You might want to use it to couple 2 cables together to lengthen them in the future. Thread the 4 longer screws used with the coupling into both sides and save it with the manual. If you have connected the Aquarius pump to the Oase Cloud Controller, as we have in this video, when the pump is plugged in, the green light on the controller will light up, either solid green for local control of devices, or flashing green if the application connects through the house Wi-Fi. We have connected the controller through the house Wi-Fi to allow control from anywhere there's an internet connection. Opening the application, look for a notification that the device is running. Opening the notification, it should show the Aquarius Eco Premium running. You'll add the pump by pressing Add a Device and selecting the Aquarius pump. Once connected, You may vary the speed as desired. Set a show, such as the Wild Show, or Splashy, or Up and Down, etc. You may also set the pump to turn on and off up to 3 times daily. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Aquarius Eco Premium Pulse 6 fountain pump, but were afraid to ask. Check out the unboxing and maintenance videos on this and all our products, available on our website and YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.